Hello, Frozen Ensemble. So we are going to walk through the choreography for Let the Sun Shine On. This is the very first song of the whole musical. And remember, if you are standing on the side stages, you are split up into two groups. So group 1 is Sentner and Vananda's homeroom class, and group 2 is McGinley and Johnson's homeroom class. So there are a few parts where you have different choreography, so just be paying close attention to if it's you or another class. All right, so at the beginning we sing the na 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 hey ya na. There is a little accent mark right above hey, H-E-I, and every time we see that accent mark or say the word hey, we're going to stomp. So we're going to stomp on hey. Na 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 hey ya na, na ya na, na hey ya na ya no na hey yo no na. So just notice I alternated which foot I used. I'm not going to be picky on which foot that you start with. I typically start with my right foot, so you can start with your right foot. So we just alternate stomping. So just be careful on those two quick stomps. All right, then the storytellers have a part, and then we come in. Once there was a family, so just presenting your hands. Once there was a family, beloved by all. So heart back out. Once there was a family, beloved by all. Not too hard. Then we just stand still while they do their part. A king, a queen, 2 princesses. And then we're going to go up, and the story starts down to our knees. And the story starts. Now here's where you have to pay attention to which homeroom class you're in. We're going to turn towards the stage when we say when they were small. So if you're in Sentner and Vananda's class, you're going to turn to your left, your left. If you're in McGinley and Johnson's class, you're going to turn to your right, okay? So it goes like this. And the story starts when they were small. Now I just chose to go this way, but you go the direction that your class goes so that you're turning towards the stage. It'll make sense when we're in the area, but just so you know. Then they have their little hand clapping game that they do. And then after that, we're gonna take our hand facing out. So your palm is facing out towards the audience. Once there was a family, turn it towards you as you come back down with secrets to keep. Okay, so you're going, once there was a family, turn with secrets to keep. Do the same thing on the other side. As rulers in a land where respect for the crown runs deep. So instead of going all the way down, we stop at the crown, push back out and down. So let's try that with up to tempo. Once there was a family with secrets to keep, as rulers in a land where respect for the crown runs deep. And then this is where Anna says the funny line. She says, freeze my butt. And it says in the script that Elsa is supposed to giggle about that. But I think we all think that's a pretty funny line. So we're all just gonna be like, oh, I can't believe she said that. That was really funny. Okay, so after you do this part, she's gonna say, freeze my butt. And then we can laugh and giggle about that together. Okay, you don't do anything on this next part, but then there's this big key change. And so instead of just doing one hand this time, we're gonna burst up with both hands. Let the sun shine on. You're gonna take your right hand and lean forward over Arendelle. Okay, let the sun shine on over Arendelle. So we're kind of like leaning forward and making a circle with our hand. Arendelle. Next part is let the crown be strong. So we're going to pull our fist in, make a close muscle. Let the crown be strong and let our love be true. So you open up your palms and come back down. So we just did over Arendelle, let the crown be strong, let your love be true. And then the next part says, bless our daughters fair, whom we love so well. We're gonna do the same motion twice. Bless our daughters fair, whom we love so well. Okay, so bless and love are here, and then we just burst up with our hands. Bless our daughters fair, whom we love so well. Then we split up into our two groups again. So remember, group one is Sintner and Vananda's class. Group one, you're gonna do we, so pat your knees, we will look to you. Left arm down, because you're gonna go towards the stage. So we will look to you. Now, as they're doing you, that is when group two comes in with the na, 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 hey, ya, na. All you're gonna do is remember to stomp on the hey. Okay, so McGinley and Johnson's class, as they're doing you, you're gonna start na, 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 hey, ya, na. Okay, then we end it together, na, ya, na. So all you're gonna do is take your hands and go straight out, na, ya, na, ba-da-dum, at the end of the song. All right, click over to the next video to try the whole thing with music. Keep practicing.